Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the peppermint spike fish in Fish Eat Roblox. So the peppermint spike is one of the coolest looking fish in the Christmas Island. So if you want to get this fish right here, you need to go to the Christmas Island, and for the fishing spot you can go fish in the secret place in the Christmas Island. I've already made the video about the exact locations of the hidden spot. You can just check it on my channel. And the second spot that you can do is you can just walk straight to here inside the Christmas Island, and there are two fishing spots in here, this one and also this. So that's how you can get the peppermint spike fish in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.